Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable diary settings in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the Settings button. And then click on the Diary Settings button. And as you can see, there's a lot of functions that you can turn on or turn off. For example, to use multi-ad by default or to show diary food insights. So in order to enable any of these, just click on the white circle next to them. And once they turn green, the notifications and the functions are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.